Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the concept of intermittent fasting, a powerful health and weight management tool. This approach is gaining popularity due to its numerous benefits, including improved metabolism, better cellular repair, and more balanced hormone levels. Let's explore how intermittent fasting can transform your health. In our modern lifestyle, we have constant access to food, leading to frequent eating and snacking. This can disrupt our natural metabolic processes and contribute to weight gain and other health issues. Intermittent fasting offers a solution by mimicking the eating pattern of our ancestors, helping to restore balance and improve overall health. Now, let's discuss various methods of intermittent fasting. 16-8 method. This involves fasting for 16 hours and eating within an 8-hour window. It's one of the most popular and easiest methods to incorporate into a daily routine. 5-2 diet. Here you eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict calorie intake to 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. Alternate day fasting. As the name suggests, you alternate between fasting days and regular eating days. On fasting days, you typically consume around 500 calories. Each method has its own set of benefits, but all work on the principle of reducing window of eating, allowing your body to rest and repair during fasting periods. Let's talk about the science behind intermittent fasting. Research shows that fasting can boost your metabolism, promote cellular repair through processes like autophagy, and balance hormone levels such as insulin and human growth hormone. These changes can lead to improved weight management, reduced inflammation, and even enhanced brain function. Studies have shown that intermittent fasting can also lower the risk of chronic disease like type 2 diabetes and heart disease. In summary, intermittent fasting offers a range of benefits that can significantly improve your health and well-being. By incorporating one of the fasting methods into your lifestyle, you can experience better weight management, enhanced metabolic health, and improved overall wellness. Remember, it's not just about when you eat, but also giving your body the time it needs to heal and rejuvenate. Ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Share your experience and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching.